Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has released the subscriber data for the month of February. Remember, in the month of January, there were some errors which had to be rectified, and now, after a long gap, we are seeing the data come out for the month of February. A big positive in the data for both Vodafone Idea as well as Reliance Jio. Let's take a look at Vodafone Idea first. In the month of February, the company has added 6.52 lakh wireless subscribers. This addition is coming for the first time after the month of October in 2019. So that's quite a positive for Vodafone Idea, considering that they have the lowest market share at this point in time. Of course, it is important to see whether the trend continues or not. Remember, in the month of January, when the first set of data had come, it showed that Vodafone Idea had added wireless subscribers, but a rectification was later issued by the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, saying that Vodafone Idea had some error in the data for UP West, which is why it showed an addition of wireless subscribers, while actually the company lost 22.83 lakh wireless subscribers in the month of February 2021. After this, of course, now that this time the data has come again, it is the addition for the first time since October 2019. Now, talking about Reliance Jio, they have seen quite a big spike in subscriber addition in comparison to January. In Jan, the company had added 19.56 lakh subscribers. In this month, they have added 42.66 lakh wireless subscribers. So the subscriber addition has more than doubled in the month of February. In fact, in December, the addition was only between 4 to 5 lakh, which was much lower. So, there's been quite an improvement in comparison to the past few months. In fact, this is for the first time since July 2020 that Reliance Jio has added more subscribers than Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, on the other hand, has added 37.37 lakh wireless subscribers. This is a drop in comparison to the month of January, where there was a spike in subscriber addition for Bharti Airtel. For all the three companies, though, we will have to see how the trend continues. Does this trend continue for each company in the coming months as well or not? That will be definitely important to watch out for. Now, apart from that, if you take a look at the market share for wireless subscribers, Reliance Jio continues to be the leader with 35.54%, Bharti Airtel at 29.83%, and Vodafone Idea at 24.20%. On the overall front, the net addition of telephone subscribers stands at 8.40 million subscribers, which is up 0.71% month on month. There's also been a net addition of 8.29 million wireless subscribers from the total addition of 8.40 million subscribers, which is up 0.72% month on month. Now, beyond that, what they have also given us in terms of the urban telephone subscribers, there's been an addition of 6.13 million wireless subscribers, wireless plus wireline subscribers in the urban areas, which is up 0.94% month on month. And for rural subscribers, the addition stands at 2.28 million wireless and wireline subscribers, which is a 0.43% addition month on month. In the rural wireline subscribers, there's been a degrowth of minus 0.04%, is what TRAI has said.